welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my top 10 favorite MAC lipsticks, and these are the lipsticks that's going to complement and flatter Indian slash brown, olive, Asian skin tones like really well. These lipsticks are beautiful, and we all know that MAC is one of the best brand out there. And yeah, I'm completely addicted to MAC lipsticks. I think MAC makes one of the best lipsticks, and I have a huge collection of MAC lipsticks. So today I just thought that I'll sit down over here and I'll share my top 10 favorite MAC lipsticks that's going to complement and flatter Indian skin tones. So yeah, if you'd like to see this video, then please keep on watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. I make videos on makeup, fashion, beauty, DIYs, and after subscribing, do not forget to hit on that bell icon next to the subscribe button. Apparently YouTube is changing their settings, so if you'll not hit on the bell icon next to the subscribe button, you're not gonna get notification about my future uploads, and my posts are not going to come on your feed. So please, after subscribing, do not forget to miss on that bell icon. If you're already subscribed to my channel and if you're not getting notifications about my video, then please do hit on that bell icon next to subscribe button. And yeah, that's pretty much about it, and now let's get started. So let's start with the very first one that I already have on my lips, and if you guys have guessed it already, yes, I'm wearing MAC's Meher, and this is how the lipstick looks like. It is a beautiful mauvey, pinky, dusky pinky sort of color, and it is such a beautiful color, you guys. It may look a lot nude if you are NC 40 and above, and it may look my lips but better sort of shade if you're NC 35 and below. It is a beautiful everyday color. If you don't know which kind of lipstick you would like to wear on a day-to-day basis for your work and all, I think this is one of the perfect lipstick for everyday use. And I mean, this is a matte range, so I love MAC's matte range. These lipsticks are completely comfortable on your lips. They are very velvety and creamy, unlike their retro matte range. So yeah, I love matte range from MAC. They last you forever. So if you're in such kind of job where you cannot go and touch up your lipstick again and again, try their matte range, and this color is to die for. And just a little information about this lipstick, that this lipstick is created by Mickey Contractor. I'm sure you all know that he is an Indian makeup artist who is associated with MAC from such a long time, and he created this lipstick keeping Indian and brown Asian skin tones in mind. And I think he did a brilliant job, and also he named this lipstick after his wife, whose name is Meher. And yeah, I mean, naming a lipstick after your wife is so sweet. Anyways, when husbands do something special for their wives, it is always commendable, and naming a lipstick, oh my god. I think that's really sweet. So yeah, that is also one of the reasons that I love this lipstick a tad bit more. And yeah, this one is MAC's Meher. So now let's talk about this next lipstick from MAC, and this one is again a nude lipstick, and this one is MAC's Velvet Teddy. It is a beautiful nude, brownie nude sort of color. It also has a little hint of pink in it. I think that makes it really wearable, especially for Indian skin tones, and it is such a beautiful nude color. It may look little washed out on me right now because I've got like really light eye makeup. But then if I'm doing my smoky eyes and all that, this color complements my face and my skin tones so well. And again, this is a matte lipstick, so it is going to last you forever. I would just like to say one thing, that if you want to try MAC's matte range, just take care of your lips really well, exfoliate them, and just apply a good moisturizer before you apply these lipsticks, because these lipsticks, they do tend to get into your fine lines. So yeah, if you have like really healthy hydrated lips, these lipsticks are not going to go anywhere for at least 4 to 5 hours. And the shade is again so beautiful. It is not a kind of shade that's going to make you look washed out completely. On Indian skin tones, it is going to look really beautiful, especially on darker skin tones. It is going to flatter a lot. So yeah, this one is MAC's Velvet Teddy. It is a peachy brownie sort of nude color, and yeah, in my opinion, you should really go ahead and try this one. Alright, so the next one that I have on my lips is such a popular color from MAC, you guys, and this one is MAC World Lipstick. And oh my god, this is such a popular color. They also make MAC World Lip Liner, which was sold out for such a long time. I don't have it in my collection, not that I never wanted to buy it. I just tried getting my hands on that lip liner for such a long time, but it was sold out everywhere. I just couldn't get that lip liner in my collection. And then I kind of gave up. I was like, okay, forget about it. But then when I got to know that MAC has come up with the same lipstick, same name, same color, I was like, okay, now let me try this lipstick. And I am so glad that I bought this one, because again, this is gonna be such a beautiful color on Indian skin tone. This is like a brownie mauvey sort of color. This one is again a matte color, so it is gonna last you forever. And I think this lipstick is beautiful. It is a very different color. Now the entire Kylie Jenner-ish lip craze has made this color so popular. And of course, once Kylie Jenner's makeup artist also reveals that he always uses MAC World Lip Liner on her. So yeah, I mean, this color is ultra beautiful. I think you all have to have it in your collection. Again, it is my lips but better sort of color, or maybe, you know, a everyday color. And I usually wear this color like this by itself, or a lot of time I also take my MAC's Meher lipstick and I just dab it in between, because they both belong to a same color range, same color family. And you know what, let me just swatch these lipsticks side by side for you all. So this one is MAC's Whirl, that is what I have on my lips. Then this is Meher, and this one is Velvet Teddy. Now when you apply it on your lips, it may look like same color, but then as you can see that all these three shades are entirely different, and all these shades are so beautiful. So now let's move on to more fun colors, and the one which I have on my lips is MAC's Vegas Gold, and this is how the lipstick looks like. It is such a beautiful peach color. Now this is not something very neon, corally, in your face sort of peach color. I think this is something more wearable. It is like a milky peach sort of color, and it is really wearable. The formula is again amplified formula, so you know, if you're one of those who are not comfortable wearing MAC lipsticks, I think you should really go ahead and try this formula from MAC, because these lipsticks are so creamy, they're so hydrating on your lips. And yes, they do transfer, they also not going to last you for that much longer period, but then, you know, again, the formula is really comfortable, and you can surely go ahead and try these lipsticks. If you're eating or drinking, these lipsticks tend to come out from the center of your lips and from the inner part of your lips, but you can always go ahead and touch up these lipsticks, because these are again not absolutely matte, and the color is so beautiful. This color screams literally summer and springtime to me, especially with all white clothes. In daytime with a minimal makeup, you can just put on this color and you're just gonna rock the show. So this is such a beautiful color for Indian skin tones. So the next one that I have on my lips is again such a fun peppy color, and this one is Girl About Town. It is such a beautiful, fun, bright, blue toned neon fuchsia color. Not that neon, but yes, it has got a little hint of neon in it, and it's such a beautiful color, you girls. And whenever I wear this color, I get so many compliments. This one is again amplified finish, so it is not absolutely matte and it is not absolutely glossy either. You have like best of both worlds. This one is more like a satiny finish on your lips and makes it extremely comfortable to wear. And yeah, I love this lipstick. I love the name of this lipstick, Girl About Town. And you know, I love MAC's creative team, because they give some excellent names to their lipsticks and to all their makeup products for that matter. So yeah, if you'd like to try any bold fuchsia color for these summers, I think you should really go ahead and try this one. Okay, I'm so sorry about the lighting, so guys, this is because sun is just going in and out, so kindly bear with that. And the next color that I have on my lips is MAC's Lady Danger. Now whenever summers come around, I always go back to this color, because this is such a beautiful, fun, bright color. This is like a orangey reddish sort of color, and again this one is matte finish, so it is gonna just glide on your lips so well. It is gonna stay on your lips for such a long time, and again this color is gonna complement and flatter Indian, brown, Asian skin tones so well. Also, whenever I wear my Indian outfits, I always reach for these such colors a lot, because I think with Indian outfits we have like a lot of bright color and everything going on in our Indian outfits, so such colors complements really beautifully. And yeah, this is again a beautiful color that's gonna complement our skin tones so well. So now let's move on to this next fun color, and this one is Relentlessly Red from MAC. And and no ways that this is a red color. This is like a pinky red color. Now this red color is so unique and so different. If I wear it with a red lip liner, it looks more on a red family. If I wear it with a fuchsia lip liner, it looks more on a pink family. So you know, it is such a unique color, and this one is from their retro matte range. Now I'm not gonna lie that their retro matte range is extremely matte. So if you're one of those who are not at all comfortable wearing like really dry matte lipsticks, you would not like it. But then no ways that this is going to emphasize any dryness on your lips, unlike the matte lipsticks. The matte lipsticks are going to cling on your dry skin and your flaky patches on your lips, but the retro matte lipsticks are just going to glide on, and then they're just going to stay on your lips for hours and hours, you guys. I mean, this is such a beautiful range, but then having said that, it does feel a little drying and a little dehydrating on your lips. But then the color is beautiful. Again, as I said, that you can make it work. You can make it look more on a red side, and you can make it look more on a pinkier side. But then, in my opinion, it is like a true pinky red color, a watermelon red sort of color, and I really love this one. Now let's move on to another retro matte range lipstick from MAC, and this one is called Flat Out Fabulous. This is such a fabulous color, you girls, because this color is like a purpley magenta sort of color. This color is so unique, so different, and yeah, this color again I've seen tends to flatter a lot of different skin tone. I've seen a completely porcelain skin also wearing this color and looking like absolutely gorgeous. And I have also seen like olive dark skin tone wearing this color and looking again absolutely gorgeous. So this is again from their retro matte range. So this is going to be little dehydrating and little drying on your lips. But if you have like really healthy lips and very plump hydrated lips, then you are not going to face any sort of issues with these lipsticks. This color in particular is beautiful shade. There was a time when I used to wear this color non-stop and I used to get so many compliments. Another good thing about this color is that you can wear it during summer times also, and you can also wear it during winters. So yeah, all in all, it is a beautiful color and it's gonna look absolutely stunning on Indian and Asian skin tones. Okay, now let me swatch Flat Out Fabulous and also Girl About Town for you guys, because they both are from fuchsia lipstick range, but they both are like really different. Here is Girl About Town. So as you can see that the finish of both the lipsticks are like completely different. Flat Out Fabulous is more on a retro matte side, and Girl About Town, as I said, is more a satiny finish. And as you can see that Girl About Town is more pinkier, more fuchsia, and Flat Out Fabulous has more purpley undertones. So all in all, they both are like absolutely stunning and beautiful colors. And now I'm sure that you girls already know about this next lipstick that I have on my lips, and yes, you have guessed it right. This one is MAC Ruby Woo. Now again, it is a retro matte formula. The formula is drying, it is dehydrating, but then for the color, I think it is absolutely worth it. And of course, we all know that MAC Ruby Woo is such a flattering shade, not only on Indian skin tone but on so many different skin tones. If you're a bride to be, then you have to have this lipstick in your collection. If you belong to any age category, you know, if you're in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s, 50s, whatever, any age, any season, any time of the day, you can just wear this color and you are going to look so much put together and so much gorgeous. So yeah, this is the beauty of this color, and this is MAC Ruby Woo, so you just can't go wrong with this one. And in my opinion, you have to have this red color in your collection. And though I have mentioned this lipstick in my top 10 red lipstick video also, but then again I had to mention this one because this is such a classic beautiful red color. So the last lipstick that I have on my lips from MAC is their MAC Heroine, and this is a true straight up purple color. This is a MAC lipstick, so again it is going to be really comfortable on your lips, it is going to glide on your lips, and it is going to feel really hydrating and creamy. But I'm not gonna lie, you have to build a little bit of courage to wear this lipstick, and once you wear this lipstick and step out of your door, you're gonna have so many heads turning towards you and just admiring you for your makeup. This lipstick is gonna make you feel so confident, and also a little rebel, and rebel in a good sense, you know. Sometimes it's good to be a little rebellious. So yeah, this is how I feel whenever I wear this lipstick. It is a little on a grungy side, but then I completely love this color. So girls, those were my top 10 lipsticks from MAC, and I have tried to include different color range. So I just hope that each one of you have found something for yourself. And yeah, that is pretty much it. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.